introduce a special dish that Koreans eat at least once a year. On New Year's Day, many Koreans wear traditional clothes like I am now and eat a dish called Tteokguk. It's a soup made with thinly sliced rice cakes. The white color represents a fresh, clean beginning for the new year. And don't they look like coins? Their shape symbolizes wealth and good luck. So, Mom and I made tteokguk together. Now let me show you how we made it. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Sliced rice cakes. You can find tteokguk rice cakes at most Asian grocery stores like H Mart. Beef shank. If you can't find beef shank, stew meat or chuck works great too. Green onion, eggs, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking oil, salt.
Boki, want some help?
Not yet. I've got this. He calls it helping. I call it nagging. Everything's ready. Let's start cooking. First, yum, my favorite beef. Cut the beef into bite-sized pieces. Mom? Mom! I need help now!
What is it?
Please mince the 3 cloves of garlic over there.
Okay.
By the way, using store-bought minced garlic is way easier. We just don't have any right now. While Mom's mincing the garlic, let's sear the beef first to build up the flavor for the broth. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Beefy beef, tasty beefy beef. Now add the beef. Mom, smoke!
Sesame oil burns really fast, so we've got to move quick. Make sure the pot doesn't get too hot.
Again. Add the beef and cook it.
Boki, is this enough?
Oh, no! A little more, please!
Really? I think it's fine.
It tastes better when it's minced more.
Okay.
Once the beef is browned and no longer pink, add about 20 ounces of water and let it simmer. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Once the broth comes to a boil again, add the rice cake slices. After that, season with a little salt, adjusting to taste. You can taste the broth as you go. While this is coming to a boil, I'll quickly chop some green onions. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them well. Pour in the beaten eggs, then add some chopped green onions, and that's it. Mom, it's ready!
Wait, did you use that whole tray of beef? That's way more than the recipe calls for.
Yes, the more beef, the better, right?
Really? But why is there barely any beef in the tteokguk?
Well,
Oh no. So that means there's no beef left for you then?
What?
Did you think I wouldn't notice you sneaking some?